Hair loss can be a distressing issue that affects both men and women. While there are various treatments available, some individuals seek alternative therapies to address this concern. In this video, we'll be discussing the potential benefit for hair loss and important considerations for those interested in exploring this alternative treatment. My name is Zara Arora, dedicated couple practitioner with experience in holistic health and well-being. So let's start. A person loses between 50 to 100 strands of hair per day. It might sound too much, but losing this much hair every day is perfectly normal. Losing that much hair doesn't affect your appearance as your head has plenty more to make up for the daily loss. However, if you notice thinning hair or end up with the big clumps in your hand while brushing or your bathtub while bathing, then it is a reasonable cause for your concern. Most people assume that hair loss only affects men. But according to research, more than 50% of women also experience hair loss. The most significant causes of hair loss in women is pregnancy, menstrual cycle problems, menopause, thyroid disorder, and anemia. There are many risk factors of several may increase the risk of hair loss, including family history, age factor, crash diets, poor dietary habits, sleeping disorders, certain medical conditions like thyroid, depression, anxiety, hormonal imbalance. So symptoms of hair loss may appear in many different ways. Depending upon the reasons for hair loss, an individual may feel sudden hair loss or gradually thinning of hair. Few symptoms include thinning of hair on the top of the head. This type of hair loss is common in both men and women. Men begin to recede hair on the forehead, and women notice that their hairline broadens a little. Losing hair after trauma. A physical or emotional trauma may cause immediate hair fall. The hair may come out quickly while you are washing or combing your hair. Hair loss due to the medical treatment. Some certain medical situations like chemotherapy results in loss of hair all over the body. But what is the causes? Like I mentioned before, pregnancy. Some women may experience excessive hair fall during pregnancy or shortly after giving a birth. Excessive hair fall occurs due to the decrease in estrogen levels. This type of hair loss is temporary and hair regrows within a year or maybe sooner than a year. Medications. Certain medications have side effects that may cause hair to fall out. Medicines for acne treatment, as an example, or blood thinners, antidepressants, and cholesterol lowering drugs may cause hair loss. Abruptly stopping medication can cause serious health problems. If you think that the medication is causing hair loss, then talk to your doctor first. Other factor, birth control pills. Several women may experience hair loss while using birth control pills. Others may experience hair fall several months after they stop taking pills. Family history. Heredity is also one of the major causes of hair loss. This condition is called androgenic alopecia, male pattern baldness, and female pattern baldness. Male tend to lose hair from the temple and crown of the head. In female, hair usually becomes thinner all over the head. Hormonal changes. Hormonal changes due to pregnancy, childbirth, menopause, or thyroid problem can cause hair loss. When the levels of estrogen and progesterone drop, hair grows more slowly and becomes much thinner. A decrease in these hormones also trigger an increase in the production of androgens. Male hormones other androgen shrinks hair follicles, resulting in hair loss at the end. Using chemical products for hair. may be a major cause of hair fall that most people don't consider. There are an abundant amount of chemical in your shampoo and conditioners that could be a huge contribution to hair fall. For example, sodium lauryl sulfate, parabens, and sodium chloride are harsh chemical detergents, which is used in our shampoo or conditioners and sometimes even in oils. Other factor age. Hair loss happen with the age. Hair growth becomes slow as we age. At some point, hair follicles stop growing. That's how hair gets thin on the scalp. Hair also loses color as we age. The hairline of women naturally starts to recede with age. Tighten hairstyles. Choose your hairstyle wisely because excessive hairstyling that pulls your hair tightly, such as pigtails, can cause a type of hair loss called traction alopecia. Continual pulling of the hair can cause permanent hair loss. Other factors, scalp infection or scalp psoriasis. Many people who have scalp infection or scalp psoriasis can lead to scaly and inflamed area on the scalp. Some people may develop a bald spot. These infections may cause hair loss. We need to know that the growth cycle of every hair is different. Between starting to grow and falling out years later, each hair passes through four stages. First stage, growing stage or anagen. This stage lasts for 2 years to 8 years and determines the length of our hair. Almost 90% of the hair grows in this stage. Second stage, we call it as transition stage or catagen. This lasts about 10 days in which hair follicles shrink and detach from the dermal papilla. Third stage or resting stage, it's telogen. This stage lasts around 3 months. Old hair rests and new hair behind to grow in this stage. Last stage, new hair stage or exogen. In this stage, old hair sheds and new hair continues to grow. Approximately 50 to 100 hair shades every day. It is considered normal. Let's talk about food. The nutritional deficiency are the major cause of hair fall. It is very important to feed your hair with the right ingredients like protein or iron. However, taking a balanced diet is essential. Nutritious food is a foundation of strong hair and healthy body. Foods that help to keep hair strong are fish, chicken, yogurt, sweet potato, spinach, and other leafy greens, avocado, broccoli, eggs, oats, flax seeds, chia seed, sesame seeds. Let's talk about some natural treatment for your hair loss. Scalp massage doesn't cost you anything and has no effect or side effects to massage the encourage blood flow and remove dead skin cells. There is also onion juice is one of the cheapest remedies for the regrowth of hair. Sulfur in onion juice will help with the regrowth of your hair. Garlic or ginger juice could help too with hair loss. Avoid combing wet hair. Brushing wet hair can injure hair follicles. Staying hydrated is very important for the regrowth of hair. Roots of hair soak up water from the body which boosts hair regrowth. If the body doesn't have enough water to reach up to the scalp, then hair may become dry, brittle, and eventually stop growing. What about aromatherapy? Is being used to treat hair loss for more than 100 years. Try rubbing lavender, rosemary, or thyme oil on your scalp for 2 minutes every night and get relaxed. Be gentle with your hair. Don't use too many curlers, straighteners, or other hair products. Avoid depression or stress in your life. Try techniques like meditation, deep breathing, yoga, and relaxation exercises. Harsh chemicals in shampoo can badly affect hair, so choose the right shampoo for you. And last, healthy hair is depend on a healthy diet. Your body needs the right amount of multivitamins, biotin, protein, omega 3, and omega 6 fatty acids, iron, and much more. Hair fall and cupping therapy. Several drugs are in the market that may help with your hair loss, but every drug has some side effects. Cupping therapy has no side effects at all. Cupping therapy can be treated for many disorders like migraine, joint pain, and back pain. Hair loss can also be treated with cupping therapy. The purpose of cupping on the scalp is to use suction to open the follicles and promote blood circulation to help maintain the hair. Suction also helps to get rid of toxins underlying the scalp and also improve the DHT level under your scalp. Dry cupping should be applied on the scalp first to boost deep tissue on the scalp. After drying cupping, wet cupping should be performed. Light incision should be made on the scalp to extract the bad blood and toxins like DHT. The shaving of the head is important to perform hijama therapy. Shaving is required because the cups need to stick to the scalp. 2 to 3 sessions minimum is recommended to treat hair fall. Cupping therapy is one of the most successful therapy for the treatment of hair loss. It is easy and affordable as well. It doesn't cost a lot like a hair transplant or other costly hair treatment. This is a method which you see results in very short time. Cupping helps in detoxification, which gives new red blood cells to hair root with better blood circulation. By performing cupping on the scalp, the suction can help open the follicles and promote blood circulation to help and maintain the hair. This theory only applies to follicles that are still alive. Wet cupping on the head can also be effective as it will get rid of many harmful toxins and pathogens that build up underneath the scalp. If you are worried about hair loss, then you can try cupping therapy. Here are some short benefits about cupping therapy. For hair loss, promote bloodstream, decrease DHT level, increment blood circulation, increment hair roots, new hair growth, no hair fall. While cupping therapy offers an interesting perspective as potential solution for hair loss, it's essential to approach it with realistic expectations and in consultation with a qualified practitioner. Remember that individual results may vary, and it's always a good idea to explore a variety of approaches to address hair loss based on your unique circumstances and needs. Thank you so much for watching. Your support means everything to us. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more cupping therapy content. Feel free to leave your thoughts, your experience, or your suggestion in the comment box below. Until next time, take care and stay tuned.